Hey everyone, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this natural smoky eye makeup for the summer, so if you love to learn then stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with this primer oil by Smashbox. It is the best for summer makeup because it makes your makeup look dewy and flawless and natural, so I would highly recommend that you use this primer. Make sure to spread it evenly on your face so that your skin soaks it up and it's ready to go. Next, I prime my lips with this Clarine Eclat Minute, I think. You can find it in the description bar below. And I just prime my lips and I love how it feels on my lips. It feels really smooth and it really helps my lips to feel softer, and it gets my lips ready for matte lipstick, which can be really drying as well. So it actually acts like a barrier. So next I'm using my NYX Cosmetics color corrector in orange, and I'm just concealing the dark spots on my face and under my eyes as well, so that my foundation looks even and flawless. Guys, make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe to this channel, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. So I'm all done. And next I go into my Fenty Beauty foundation in 410 and this Cover FX glow skin glow droplets, I guess, and then I put them on my palette thing and I use about 4 pumps of foundation. One, because this foundation is expensive, so I don't want to use a lot, and 2, because I don't want my skin to look cakey. I want it to look as natural as possible, so I just use 4 pumps and I just dot it on my face. And then next I use my foundation brush and I just blend. That's the secret to having flawless looking foundation, blending. And I love this foundation brush. It's a no-name brand, but it's so fluffy and it helps to spread foundation evenly, and it makes my foundation look really smooth and in place, so I love it. So all done. As you can see, my skin is glowing. And next I'm going to go into my Essence brow pencil in number 2 brown, and I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics spoolie to brush my crazy eyebrows into place, which I know for sure they're just gonna scatter like wildfire because they don't respect. So I should have used some brow gel. I don't know why I didn't, but anyways, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows and then brush them. Then after, I'm going to use some concealer that I mixed. I mixed my NYX Cosmetics concealer and Kat Von D concealer together to get this color, and I'm just going to perfect my eyebrows, and then afterwards I just spread the rest on my eyelids. What's your favorite type of concealer for this process? I heard that P. Louise is really good. I should try it. Next, I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to spread all of that concealer onto my eyelids because it just helps to make it even. Next, I'm using Sandalwood by Huda Beauty, and as you can see, I love Sandalwood so much. So I'm just spreading that onto my eyelids, blending it in, and it's just a very beautiful brown caramel color. Next, I'm going into Henna, which is my transition color, and I'm going to start from the outer corner of my eye using my fluffy blending brush by BH Cosmetics, and then I just take it to maybe, yeah, all the way. Next, I use Bay for my brow bone. As you can see right here, Bay, hey Bay. And then next, I'm going to use Cocoa for the outer corner of my eye, just to, you know, make it smoky, make it look sexy, like make it look cute. And I use a smaller blending brush. There's a no-name brand as well, and it just helps in packing the color onto my eyelid. And next I use my fluffy blending brush just to blend it out because I don't want any harsh lines. And as you can see, I've already done my eyelashes and my my eyeliner because I can't do it on camera. Next I'm just going to use my concealer and just, you know, put it in the key areas. And to blend all of that out, I use my Fenty Beauty foundation to blend it out, and that is because I don't want my highlights to stand out from my foundation. I want it to look as natural as possible, hence the reason why I use my foundation to blend out my highlighter. And I think it looks really nice, really natural, really beautiful. So if you'd love to achieve natural foundation, you know, you want your foundation to look good, then I would highly recommend that you do that. Next I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder in banana just to set the highlighted areas. I don't bake because I just don't like that cakey feel on my face, and I just don't like it. So I use my brush just to set those areas, and next I use my foundation brush just to blend everything together. As you can see, everything is being blended out. Next I contour my nose, and then I'll be contouring my cheeks as well, just to bring everything together, bring some shadows in, balance my face out, you know the deal. Contour them cheeks, them quarantine cheeks. Been eating mad. Been eating so much lately, so I have to contour those cheeks so nobody can see how much weight I have gained. And then I put I blend all of that contour as well with my foundation brush so that everything is just even. That's the key to having really lovely skin with foundation. You just blend it with your foundation brush. Next I'm just adding some blush, and now I am putting some black eyeliner on. It's a no-name brand, and then I set it with some black truffle as well, just so that the eyeliner doesn't move around, you know. And then next I go into my Beauty Makeup Bar highlighter in La Peach Diamond Glow powder. It is the best highlighter I have used. I have provided the link to this product in the description box. You can find her on Instagram. Her products are really good. I would highly recommend that you order this highlighter because it's really pigmented. You can either make it pigmented or subtle. It's really up to you, but this highlighter, A+. So I put that in the inner corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my cheekbones as well, and yeah, I'm glowing. Next I line my lips with my NYX lip liner. I don't remember, in the description box, please bear with me. And then after, I use my lipstick by Essence in number 2, and I just spread that on my lips and blend it together by and then I put some clear lip gloss. This is a no-name brand as well, just to have those luscious lips popping. And next I go back into some foundation again and blend everything together because we just want everything to come together as one and look cute. And next I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Dewy setting spray, and voila, there we go. Here's the look. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.